guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally finally I'm posting. We're on our way to Newlands. On our way to Newlands. Going for a hike. Late past 7, but that's fine because it's Yakala way at that side, so I'm having this because my eyes in the morning are not giving, so I'm gonna take them off when I get there. Stay tuned, enjoy this vlog. Ingathi okuphethwe insini okwesifikile apha yonke into iyahlekisa wayi. Sancho yonke into ingathi iyahlekisa siyenza. Uqala wathi nizowazi influence iyabhatala. So guys, there's two routes, the right one and the left one. So we're waiting for people coming through to give us some sort of direction because Sana Suzautini. So that which route are we taking, because we didn't even look at the map. Gosh. We didn't bother looking at the map. Now we're gonna wait for people to come through and advise. Very, very beautiful. Beautiful. Every day. That's good. That's a life. So we are coming here with a force. The sun is out, but we're coursing on. Going to rise on course. Yeah. Curious, clock in. Clock in. Supposed to be thankful. This is a good time. Not hard. You're right in there for. Yeah. My Mimi.
Spectacular photo, keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, so just to the plus. Yeah. My gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I do it to the friends that take off me road one time. Sit down in a class, so important. Only sit road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell them sorry. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give it a God to breathe. For me to love it. You know that my person is united. But the music get me excited.
Okay, Cape Town is Cape Town is such a good. Aku cheesy, kangako. Hello, spring. Mimosa or orange juice, right?
I guess you wonder where I've been. Search to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't believe. My friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze from your love. See, I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't go.
This is quite different from the one I normally have.
Some people go around the world for love, but they may never find what they dream of. What you want to?
Is it a good book so far?
You tried everything. What you want? In my way, only you make me do what I'm good now. Now my friends wonder what is wrong with me when I'm in a daze when your love.
London is real.
Now I came back to the
real life London.
Got a thing
And you have a beginning.
I can't.
What
you want to do? You tried everything. What you want? You in my way. Only you. Make me do what I would.
It's nice. It takes the apple food. How much is this? The page. I'll be saying